I'm gonna go get my hair done today. So as you can see, I washed my hair. I don't know if you guys could have seen the puff. My hair got so much longer, guys. So I'm gonna do a cane roast style. So I'm gonna go downtown right now. It's about after 1. It's almost 2 p.m. I'm gonna go downtown, go draw out money, and then got a bun down, go buy 2 pack of hair. I'm thinking to do burgundy. I'm wondering if I should also do black. I don't know. Should I do black or burgundy? I normally always do burgundy. I don't know. So I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna make the girl do my hair. She want taxi, I come, so I'm going in right now. So I did my hair. Simple feeding, and it's long. I have to show you guys on another angle. So taxi me, I go take you now if we go back downtown. Mira, I want taxi that pass me. Right. Good morning, guys. So I said I was gonna show you guys the length of my hair. So you see, well long, right? So guys, today is the 19th of February. Blood seed. I've been here almost a month now. Today actually is the day that I was supposed to go back to Canada, but I don't know if you guys seen my other vlog where I was saying, oh, me I go live here. Yeah, good girl, I go live here for a good bit, because the Canada government banned flights to the Caribbean, Jamaica included, obviously. So I'm gonna be here for a while. So today's the day I was actually supposed to leave, but good girl's still there, right? But yeah, my hair is tight, guys. Like, you know, when you do your hair, it's okay, and then in the night you start to feel the tension. Yeah, but I love my hair. It's done by this girl named Styles and Smiles by Bree. I'll put her name right here. You guys can check her on Instagram. Yeah, I should do my hair nice and neat. So I'm gonna go look about breakfast now because I'm hungry. So good morning, guys. Waaah, Gwaan. I just thought to myself, I'm gonna start getting up to date with my vlogs since I'm gonna be in Jamaica for a while. So I'm gonna try and do like daily or every other day vlogs. By the time you guys watch this vlog, I should be caught up with all of my previous vlogs for Jamaica. So I'm gonna try and do that. And lad, something's in my mouth. Right now, I make cornmeal porridge, and I'm not making it from scratch. I'm being lazy. I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna lie, these actually taste good. I also get the Fasca oats instant oatmeal. I'm not tell no lie, it tastes so good. It's good for when you're like in a rush and you can't bother if you stand up in a, you know, stand up over no pot, and you nobody wanna cook for nobody else. You just want it for yourself. I'm not selfish. I just, yeah. But yeah, those are great. So that me I look about right now. Me I wait for water to boil up. Today is Saturday the 20th. And I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today. I don't do much, but I need to do something. I can't tonight also. Like, okay, it's pandemic, so I shouldn't leave the house, but me can't just, you know, me need to do something. Me now work, you see it. So me need to do something to make myself feel like me I do something. So I'm trying to figure out what I can do. Lord God, me a sweat. Anyways, guys, I know it's kind of dark, but I'm going downtown. I'm gonna meet up with my auntie so we can just walk. Today I was just feeling very depressed. It was just one of those days, you know, them days when you just get up and then out of nowhere you just feel depressed. Yeah, I was having like a crying spree. I don't know. I just did feel depressed, but I'm gonna go catch some air, walk downtown, go buy some food. If I see something I like, buy it, you know, spend some time with my auntie. So that will cheer me up. As for Kemar, I just saw him. I don't know where he went. But he's most likely with his friend or something, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna go downtown right now, see the fit. I'm just wearing army print dress, and yeah, so, and I'm gonna be using my bag. Love this bag, beauty box accessories. But yeah, guys, I'm going downtown now. Okay, guys, so some Chinese food with sorrel, and I'm here with my auntie who's looking for her Pizza Hut receipt. Oh, where you could have put it? So you should have put it in your pocket. You find it? Yeah. Right now over here, so it's very full. Guys, when I say this pineapple is doing me well right now. Oh God, so good, so sweet. Hey guys, what's up? You don't know it's Shickaa Chung. So yeah, today guys, I'm gonna do some grocery shopping. I'm gonna see if I can get some footage while I'm grocery shopping. So I wrote a list for the stuff that I wanna buy. So I'm gonna go grocery shopping right now. Oh wow, you hear me a vlog and you just run come in. Hey guys, it's Sabrina, right?
Yes.
So yeah, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. So I'm gonna go get ready right now and then go down. Yeah.
You're so funny.
Alright then guys, so we are at a store. I'm about to buy one charger, so I'm in it, just waiting to go inside in that store right there. But my God guys, it's so hot. It coming like since me have on the mask, I can't breathe at all. Whew. And in here hot, man. It's here. There's no other place in here. Why? No, sir. Well, they have many things in this store. Came back from downtown. I spent a good amount of money on groceries. Hopefully that lasts me for 2 weeks. So I'm here. I got curry goat, Jesus, and some Arizona to drink. So I'm about to dive into that, and yeah, you don't know.